in this video, I will let you know how actually we can create a connection with Google. So let me do that. So we will click on this create button, then you can see we do have the connection. So I will create a connection thing. Let me click on Google. Okay, to have Google Sheets. So I will create a connection with Google Sheets as of now. So it remains the same. So I'm doing it at Google Sheets account. Then the location is HR automation. Sign in with Google. So once you click on sign in with Google, right, you need to update your details as in do you want to continue with the access to account, Workato will be accessing it, right? And in the same way, connection has been established. Thank you. Stay tuned.